Hello guys, I'm Mechanic Bright. Today I'm working on another F150 35 EcoBoost. First, starting of rattling noise is common issue for 35 EcoBoost. This one is old style, cam phaser, cam gear, sprocket. And now I got a 4-piece cam sprocket, intake 2, exhaust 2. It's a modified new style. You guys see the factory part number. And now I'm installed the left hand side setting the timing cam phaser and timing chain. Now I'm using the beater and then make sure the whole crank and camshaft timing marks. And then on left to the left, and then I install the right hand side cam gear timing and even crank timing right here. Thank you for watching.